And we are back. Welcome back. Welcome back, Thrift Glammies. This is a different type of video. This is a closet DIY makeover. And I'm starting. Oh, if you want to see me, here I go. But anyway, so let me see. Y'all, my closet, I've been in my townhome now for 3 years, and my main bedroom closet is a mess. That's a bench that you can't see with clothes piled up. I've already started removing. These were all blouses that's missing. I've already removed those. And I said, wait a minute. Let me get my YouTube channel. Let me get my camera so I can show my Glammies. But y'all, look at this. I am going to attempt, I know I'm going to be successful, and do the Target DIY closet custom makeover using those 5-tier Target shelves. And I just wanted to come in here and get some footage of before, because y'all, I got a lot to tackle. I already have one of these sturdy shelving systems that has nothing but shoes. Those are all shoes. Shoes. I plan to leave this shelving here, although I'm going to reorganize my shoes, but I'm going to be putting a bookshelf here. I think the way I measured, I'm going to have 2 bookshelves here, maybe with a pole in the middle for dresses. This is going to go right here, maybe. Yes, no, maybe. And then along this wall right here, I measured 4 bookshelf systems that will be able to fit there. And then eventually I'm going to add another bookshelf here on this wall right here. So yeah, y'all, your girl is in her DIY spirit. So I'll check back in with you later. I've already ordered the bookshelves for Target, so they're being ready for pickup. And I also ordered the adjustable rods from a Home Depot store. So I will tune back in once I get the supplies and show y'all what I'm working with. Hey, I'm back. So thought I would just get some more footage of me removing all this stuff from my closet, y'all. It's absolutely ridiculous how much I have, but I'm thankful for it. Whoa, I have this little mini tripod that I just got from Amazon. It's actually a selfie stick that I'm doing this with. So yeah, I'll probably just fast forward this footage because probably it's gonna be quite boring, but oops. This is a mirror I had in my closet. Let me go ahead and take that out. So yes, guys, this is let me step back. This is what I'm tackling. Oh no. It's a really a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Pray for me, y'all. Okay, y'all, small update. When I tell you the hardest part, well, not hardest, but most tedious part is taking down this wire shelving. These little screws right there are a hassle to try to get out, and I'm gonna have to go through and plug these holes. So I'm done with the small wall over there. Now I'm done with the bottom. Now I just got to get that off, and then I'm gonna go and pick up my supplies and get to building. Y'all, part 3, whatever part this is, y'all, I am out of breath. Okay, to catch y'all up, I went to Target, picked up my 6 bookshelves, and I have one already up here in the closet. I'm gonna make the first one. I spackled, filled in the holes after taking down The y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath, y'all. And now I'm about to do some touch-up paint. Whenever you buy a brand new home, they leave the paint, some of the paint in your garage, and it's going on about 3 years old. I've used it to touch up my bathroom before, so I'm going to go ahead and use Sherwin-Williams. The color on my walls in my house is agreeable gray. So I'm going to go ahead and touch up, put a little paint on these little spots, and then I'm going to build my first bookshelf. I'll be back. Y'all, when I tell you I am tired, but as you can see, I have made all the bookshelves. I haven't put the rods together, mounted the rods, but y'all, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is one back there behind that one, and I'm gonna lay them out in here. I probably could use actually 2 more bookshelves. But yeah, let me step back, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. When I tell you I've had some trials and tribulations, you see this hand? This hand did not look like this before I started this project, y'all. I had all my nails. I don't know what I did here. I had to get a Band-Aid, cut myself or something. And look at this hand. Y'all, I had a really, really cute set of nails that I put on yesterday. Today's Saturday. I put these on Friday morning, y'all. So, anyway, y'all, I got so much space in here now. So, I'm going to have to figure out, I didn't remove my baseboards in my closet. So, these bookshelves are not sitting flush to the wall, but I do plan on mounting them, so hopefully that will help. But y'all, I've been through a war. But anyway, I'll be back. You'll probably see the final shot, and I'm going to put a video link. This wasn't supposed to be a tutorial or anything on how to put these Target bookshelves together, because there's plenty of YouTube videos, and there's one guy, he goes step by step. I'm going to link his video somewhere. Check the description, y'all. I didn't even have to open my book. The little booklet instructions y'all, I'm tired. But anyway, I didn't even have to open my book. The pamphlet that shows the directions, he goes through everything. He's really good. So I'll link him down below for those that want to see a step-by-step tutorial. But anyway, I'll be back. Probably to show y'all the finishing touch. I have to mount the bars on here. And I will say, be careful not to, when you're attaching this back piece, not to, on a few of the bookshelves, I basically brought I hit the nail in too hard, and it kind of split through the bookshelf a little bit. But I don't really care, because clothes and stuff will be hiding that. But y'all, this is like, I got so much space in here, and I haven't. Look at how the space. I might put me an island in the middle. But anyway, the reason I went with espresso, I was debating. This is not black. This is actually espresso, because in my bathroom, if you can see, it's a mess right now with all my stuff. But I have espresso cabinets in my bathroom. So that's why I decided to go with espresso in the closet, y'all. But anyway, I'll be back.